Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Big Mike here. Hey, have you ever mowed on your lawn tractor or like Babe here on my farm tractor, and you go over an area that you have never mowed, and when you're doing that, that was a wasp. And when you were doing that, you found little surprises that was hiding below the grass, the weeds, and stuff like that. Well, that happened to me. And I ran over an old broken down pallet with nails in it and punctured the front tire on Babe here. So what do? Air was coming out. It went down overnight. I've got a leak. So on this video, we're going to address that leak and we're going to show you how you plug the tractor tire. So guys, I'm glad you're here. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you learn something. And if you haven't, and you already know this, still like and subscribe. First time I've ever plugged a tractor tire, guys. I've done it to car tires and stuff like that, but never on a tractor tire. Rubber's pretty thick, pretty hard. So let's get on this, guys. Here we go. All right, so before we get started, this is all you need. You need some soapy water, and I've got some ivory soap in there and some water, kind of heavy on the soap. So you're going to need that to spray on the tire. You're going to need a plug kit, and in this case, this one comes from Pittsburgh Tools and Auto Supplies, which is over at Harbor Freight, that I picked up for a few dollars. I don't think it was that expensive. So it's a tubeless tire repair kit. When you open it up, which I've already cut the seal, you've got the reamer. Okay. You've got the plugs. And this is made for a car, so they're smaller. They have the ones for big rigs and stuff like that are like twice and 3 times that size right there. It actually comes with a knife, a little razor, so you can cut the tails off. You've got the plugger right here. And it comes with rubber cement right there. So that's all you need, guys. So, like I said, you can pick this up at Harbor Freight or Walmart or anything like that. And I think that every car, if you're driving and stuff like that, this can save you a lot of time and money, especially if you're on a trip and stuff like that. So, hey, that's what we're going to use today. So let's go out to the tractor, let's find that leak, and let's get it plugged. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit more air in this because the tire is gone down. So now that we got it aired up, we're going to take the soapy water and we're going to find this leak. I can hear it. Oh, there it is right there. Let me move the camera over here. Yeah, you can see it right here, right there. That's a good hole. There we go. So we found the leak. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the reamer right here. Wow, we're probably going to need some glasses here. There it is. And we're going to work that in there. All right, clean that out. We're going to take one of these plugs that's really sticky. There we go. Oh man. There we go. Going to place it through the plugger. Wow, that's sticky stuff there, guys. I'm going to put it about halfway. Turn it up, it's halfway. Point it towards. We're going to take some rubber cement. Going to put some rubber cement on it. There we go. We find our hole. And work it in. Ugh. There we go. We're going to twist it to form a knot and pull it back out. All right. So there you go. We got that in there. Let's see if it's still leaking. It's still leaking. So it's a bigger hole than I thought. Yep. Okay, so the hole was bigger than we thought it was. So we put a second plug in there. No air's coming out. So there you go. We got it all plugged up. So now we're going to take this razor knife that comes with the kit, and we are going to cut these off. You'd think it'd be easier than this, right? There we go. Just cut those tails off. We're good to go. We got it plugged up. She's ready to go. Let's top her off with some air. All right, guys, there you got it. Hey, the hole was bigger than we thought, right? It took 2 plugs to close up that hole. Guys, I think that what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Atwood's or Tractor Supply, and I'm going to get the ones made for tractors. They're bigger, they're thicker, and, you know, because that took two plugs to close it up. So anyway, guys, hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you've never plugged a tire before, it's easy. Like I said before, if you have a car, you need to have one of those plug kits in your car just in case, especially if you're going on a vacation or anything. If you've got a tractor, get the right ones. I'm going to go down there today and get the right ones. because this is made for a car. Anyway, guys, we love you guys. God bless you. And remember, be kind to one another, help somebody in need, and always, always thank a vet. Now, this vet's going to go out there and mow that back pasture now that the tire's up on Babe. All right, guys. Love you. See you on the next video. Bye.